ladies and gentlemen. I'm back 6 months later. I ain't quitting. I'm just a little bit slow. That's it. But guess what? There's nothing slow about this video, folks. This is a firecracker here. This is one of the most legendary recipes you guys are going to see in your lives. And I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. Fake noodles. 25 calories in one pack. Stay tuned. So this recipe is something I discovered long ago, back in my very hardcore dieting days. Because there really isn't much else out there that can beat this. There's not, right? And you're gonna find out why. High protein, low calorie, good taste if you put in the right spices and seasoning. You're not gonna go wrong with this, man. It's chicken, it's veggies, and it's noodles. But they're not actually noodles, they're veggie noodles. But it's actually a chicken veggie bowl, if you think about it. You know? But enough with the technicalities, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta get into this video. All right, so the ingredients are very, very simple. So we just have mixed vegetables here. I like California style: broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. 30 calories and 85 grams, pretty low calorie stuff. You can use anything you want. We like to customize here in the kitchen. Use any veggies you want. This is what I like. Put in 200 grams of these suckers. That's 70 calories if you're using the exact same one. Boom, next ingredient, chicken breast. One of the ultimate holy grails of protein. You're not gonna go wrong. My chicken breast is abnormally massive today and it's 275 grams. I'll throw in the whole thing, but typically your chicken breast will be probably under 200 grams, maybe 150 to 200. So I like to throw in one chicken breast. I don't really care about how big it is, I just throw it in there. Don't worry, I'll work out all the calories for you. And the final recipe, the absolute tank of the video, new pasta. A lot of you guys might have not heard of this. Probably all of you guys have not heard of this actually. But you can actually find it in Walmart. It's very easy to find. You can probably order it online too. It's a lot easier than you would think to find such a legendary item. Okay, so we have to wash the noodles because it says to wash them. Right on the label, you must wash the noodles. Sometimes I don't wash them. But today I'm gonna wash them. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, you know, you just pour in some water. Just give it a good little whirl around. Just get right in there. Just get right in there like you're dissecting an animal. Okay, let me just kind of rinse it out. So, oh shit. So this is a bit of a life hack. Maybe not for some of y'all, but I cut up the noodles so they're not super long because these guys are long. And I like to eat it with a spoon and it's really easy to eat when you cut it up. So cut it up if you want to eat it up, Buttercup. You know, if you want to just cut it like that, you can cut it like that. If you don't want to cut it like that, you don't have to cut it like that. It's the Anabolic Kitchen. It's your rules. All right, we got our noodles chopped up. We got the chicken chopped up. And we got the veggies already chopped for me. Let's go. Okay, so the awesome, beautiful part of this recipe is you can all throw it all in one bowl, one pan. That's not a bowl, that's a pan. Throw it all in one pan. Chicken, veggies, noodles, fake noodles. Throw it all in there. They're all gonna cook evenly. All the juices and stuff will mix in, and then we're gonna spice it up, baby. We're gonna spice it nice and good. I don't mean to brag, but I poured this bag one time, one pour, 199 grams. You know what? It's not perfect, but it's 99.5%. That's way better than I ever got in school, man. Look at that. It's not even cooked yet, and it already looks so beautiful. Like, how do you not just want to eat it? I just want to grab this chicken and just start eating it. Okay. I'm getting a little too excited here. So we want to mix it up, let it sit for a bit, and I will be back at you guys for the saucening and the spicing. Oh yeah, in case you guys are wondering, I just cook it on max heat. Just max it out. We want to get this out quickly as possible. Efficiency, folks. That's what it's all about. All right, so it'll take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, depending on the strength of your oven. So just be patient. It doesn't take that long. Also, you don't have to follow the amounts in this video exactly. Some people eat more, some people eat less. I used to actually even put in more. I used to put in 500 grams of veggies, 2 packs of noodles, and no, I think I used to put in a whole kilogram of veggies. I was crazy. I don't know. I put in more, right? But I don't put in as much like that. I don't have the same capacity I used to. But if you eat more, you can throw in more vegetables if you want to. Like, you don't have to follow it exactly. Throw in 500 grams, throw in a kilogram, fine. The sauces, honorable mention to soy sauce. This, ladies and gents, it truly is the sauce of absolute immortal beings. 10 calories per tablespoon. Even a gram of protein in there, like what? We don't need that. A lot of sodium, but it's okay. Sodium is not gonna make you fat, ladies and gentlemen. Might raise your blood pressure, but we don't care about that right now. We are in the anabolic kitchen, right? I lather this up with in all my dinners. I lather soy sauce. It's really good sauce. Okay, next thing I found, well, I didn't really find it. But taco seasoning, I mean, it pretty much has everything you need, you know, all in one seasoning, right? I used to put in like garlic powder, onion powder, all these other like random ones, right? Like I have all of these behind, all of these I got, right? This covers it all. Just throw in some of this. It's the same calories as all the spices. All spices are about 3 to 4 calories a gram, you know? So just throw it in there, man. It's gonna save you time and it tastes good. And of course I got the classic salt and pepper. Can't really go wrong. I don't know if I need that much more salt after all this, but you can't go wrong. Okay, so while it's cooking, should look like about this. Yay cooked, halfway. Then you throw in the spices and any kind of sauce halfway through. Because that way they get cooked down a little bit. Culinary science, they get cooked down and they blend it nicely. Soy sauce. Holy moly. Taco seasoning. And salt and pepper. Folks, I'm actually doing laundry as I'm making this video to save a bit of time, and my laundry load just finished, so I gotta run down there, okay? Run down there, hold the fort down, folks. Okay, I'm back. Let's hope our chicken's not burned. Oh my God, it's good, guys. Don't worry, look, beautiful. So I'd just like to put in perspective the sheer magnitude of power of these noodles, because I don't think I have. 210 grams in one packet, 25 calories, right? An individual like myself needs 2,000 calories in one day to maintain his weight. If I were to only eat noodles and try to do that, I wouldn't be able to do it if my life depended on it. I don't care who you are, you're not going to be able to do that. Because you're going to need to eat 80 packs of noodles. 80 packs. 80, okay? 80 packs of noodles is 40 pounds. 40 pounds of noodles. I don't care what kind of a competitive eater you are not eating 40 pounds of these in a day, sir. You're not doing it. I'm getting hungry just looking at this. This looks and smells amazing. You guys are you're in for a friggin' treat, man. Okay, here we go, folks. We got it right here. I am about to do the official taste test, and I haven't had this for a while, actually. It's probably been like a good 6 months or so since I've had it. Fell off track a bit, you know, went down some dark routes, but we're back on track. We're back on track here. And this right here is gonna send me to the moon for sure. It's gonna send the gains to the moon if I can get it in my spoon. Oh, that rhymed! Oh my God. Okay, here we go. It's very hot still, it's fresh. Words cannot describe that flavor. Yo, that taco seasoning, I'm telling you guys right now, buy that taco seasoning. I don't care. Go to Walmart right now, Amazon, buy it right now. That taco seasoning is so good. But that is gonna have to wrap up my video. I know it's been a long time. I say that every video. I'm not gonna go down it again. I'm gonna try and upload more. We'll see. We'll see where it goes. I was feeling it today. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. Like, I want to hear some feedback. What do you guys think about this? Can you tweak it? Can you improve it? It's just something I thought about a long time ago. And I really like it, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. Until then, I'll see you next time. I love you all. Spread peace and love.